Bear and Bird Try Again by Johnny Lamberts. Bear and Bird sat out in the sun, wondering what they could do. They'd stacked sticks and counted clouds, but wanted to try something new. That's when they heard the bike bells ring. Their friends were out for a ride. Bear gasped as his friends cycled by. "There's something I haven't tried." "Would you like to join us?" asked Goose. "I would love to," Bear declared. "But I have not ridden a bike before, and I am a little scared." "That bike's a little big," chirped Bird. "But this one's a bit too small." As the friends were chatting away, Bear took off and left them all. Struggling to balance on the bike, Bear tried to paddle and steer. He held on tight with all his might. "I can't slow down, oh dear!" He picked up speed. He didn't stop. He raced straight down the hill. "You are doing okay," shouted Bird, and he seemed to be until... Bum! Clatter! Crash! Bear flew through the air, just like Bird. He hit the ground with a thud. Bear scraped his elbows and his knees. He was now covered in mud. His friends rushed over. "Are you hurt? You took a nasty tumble." "I can't do it. It's just too tricky," Bear began to mumble. "Of course you can," his friends replied as they helped him to his feet. "Give it another try," said Bird, and with that, Bear climbed in the seat. With a little push, Bear took off, weaving and wobbling a bit. When he began to pick up speed, he thought, "I'm getting the hang of it." "You are doing really well," chirped Bird. Then Bear steered between two trees, and suddenly, when a rock appeared, he jumped the bump with ease. Bear was happy he tried again, and his friends were so excited. "That was amazing, Bear," cheered Bird. "You must be so delighted." Bear said thank you to his friends. Their help was not in vain. If at first you don't succeed, make sure you try again. The end.